Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and this is my final review of the Pixelbook from Google, the original one. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so the Google Pixelbook in 2019 going into 2020. Now this Google Pixelbook I've had for about probably 6 to 7 months, probably a little bit longer, so I could definitely tell you everything about it, how it's aged in the last few months, and everything that it could do, and everything that it can't do. Now, this is basically just a audio version, but I will go hands-on when it comes to things that I really want to point out. As far as this model right here, I do have the one with the i7 chip, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. So I'm really impressed with the specs so far, but this one topped out in about $1,000, a little bit over $1,000, and if you can actually pick it up probably on Swappa, you could probably pick it up for under $800. But there is a new version out, and this is pretty much the reason why I'm actually making this video, because I've had a lot of comments saying, is the original Pixelbook better than the Pixelbook Go? Now, I don't have the Pixelbook Go, but the quality that I've seen in videos of the Pixelbook Go, this is not even a close match. This one on here definitely has the better quality. It seems like the Pixelbook Go is more of like a little brother when it comes to the original Pixelbook, but everything about this is very pixel-like. Now, a lot of the colors, it does have like a multi-color here. As you can see from here, just like the original Pixel, you do have like a two-tone thing here, and it does have the logo for Google right over there. I don't really have a wide-angle lens, but I can actually push it back. But the angle that I had it from is very good. Now, as far as how thin this is, you see how thin this is? This thing is amazing. It has two USB Type-C ports, which you could charge from as well. You have a headphone jack, volume up and down, and the power button, of course. And on the sides here, on the mouse pads here, it's a very, very nice feeling touch. And over here, you have kind of like a soft touch feel on the sides over here. But everything about this, now this was actually my first Chromebook, so big shout out to the Team Pixel crew for actually sending this out to me earlier this year. But I'm really enjoying what it does. Now, for everyday usage, at first I was not feeling like the bezel look here, but after using it for a while, I literally don't use my gaming laptop for my everyday needs anymore. The only reason why I use my gaming laptop is to edit videos, and that's one of the problems that I have on Chrome OS. It doesn't use a lot of the programs that I use on Windows, especially Sony Vegas, which I use to edit my videos. Now, I do simple videos so I can knock them out as quick as possible, but Sony Vegas is a very essential part when it comes to rendering and 4K 24 that I record on this camera that I'm recording on right now. So I would have to change programs, try to figure it out. This does take a lot of Play Store apps as well. So you can actually go to the Play Store and you can download a lot of apps here. I'm not sure if it can play the Call of Duty because I made a little boo-boo on this Pixelbook. So when you have a really thin device, a phone or whatever, it tends to have weak points. So when I was laying in bed with this one day, I got up and I put some pressure on it and it actually cracked the screen. So there's a crack on this I think it's from right here to right here, which kind of sucks, but I can't feel it at all. It seems like it's more underneath, but that's one thing I could definitely point out. There's not really much of cases or any type of tempered glass, and the funny thing is there's no video of how to fix one of these, so very rare. I should probably contact Google and ask them, but you know, it is what it is. I'll probably hit them up an email after this video if it goes live, if they see it. But one thing I'm definitely enjoying so far is how simple it is to use Chrome OS. You do have the Google Assistant right over there. There's a few things that you have to change when it comes to going from a Windows to a Chrome OS, but it's basically the same thing. Control C is Control Copy, but to to paste it, you gotta do Control V over Control P. There's a few things that you have to change, like when you want to do a screenshot. There's multiple different things, and if you just watch a simple YouTube video of how to use Chrome OS, or if you just ask your kids who probably use Chromebooks for the school. Now, I did actually buy my kids a Chromebook. I bought them a $100 Chromebook here somewhere. Not entirely sure what it is, but they do use it and they actually love it. It's not as high advanced like this one, but it definitely he actually taught me a lot of things that I didn't even know how to do. But for everyday things like my bills, for going on the go, one thing I really love is that I love to fold this up and have it into tablet mode. But the thing about tablet mode is that when you hold it like this, you can feel the buttons while you're holding it, and that kind of feels a little bit awkward. So that's something that I had to get used to. But just the option to flip it into something else is pretty dope as well. And if you want to watch a movie, you could have it inside like a tablet stand, just like so, and you could watch your movies. You could do a whole bunch of stuff on this, which is absolutely clutch. Now, there are so many convertible laptops like this, because this is basically a laptop, but it's a Pixelbook. You can do so much things on this, but as far as my opinion on it, has it lagged? No. Battery life is pretty good on this. Charging it is very fast as well. It probably charges in about, from a dead battery, probably like an hour maybe. Probably an hour, 10 minutes. So it definitely charges up fast. And it lasts way more than my gaming laptop that I bought for $1,000 for that one as well. I have the Dell 7677, and that thing is just so powerful that the battery dies so fast. But this one is definitely a beast as well. So if you're thinking about getting one for 2020, 2019, hopefully this thing will go on sale again. But they're trying to go with the Pixelbook Go. But this is definitely an option I would try to look at first. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Big shout out to the people who have been hitting me up with update videos or update questions about the Pixelbook. I'm still in love with it. I still use it every single day. My gaming laptop is freaking huge. I'll show you what my gaming laptop looks like. So this is my gaming laptop. Like, this thing is absolutely bonkers. It does have a bigger screen, but this is absolutely great for portable travel and on the go. So if you guys have any questions about the Pixelbook, the original Pixelbook, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Google products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.